Restricted mode on YouTube is a feature designed to filter out potentially mature content from search results, recommendations, and comments. It's primarily used to provide a safer viewing experience for children and families by blocking content that may contain violence, adult themes, or explicit language. Users can enable or disable restricted mode in their YouTube account settings to customize their viewing experience and limit access to content that may not be suitable for all audiences. In this video, I will show you how to do that. Open YouTube app and open your account page. Click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Open General Settings. Here, you can adjust a wide range of options that YouTube offers to its users. Scroll down. Here's the restricted mode option at the bottom of the screen. By enabling restricted mode, videos that potentially contain mature content will be hidden. But remember, as it also says in the YouTube app, no filter is 100% accurate and there may be some minor deviations. Also, these settings will only apply to this YouTube app and only on this phone. I'll enable this option. Of course, you decide based on your needs whether to enable it or disable it. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel and help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.